In this video, I'm gonna share with you two different websites you can use, two different methods you can use to download the iOS 15 beta profile. Yes, you do not need your computer. Before we jump into it, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, first one is right here, betaprofiles.com, and again, you don't need to download anything on your computer. Just open this URL on your phone, and then you're gonna scroll down, and you see they have everything here. That's so cool. Scroll down and look for iOS 15 download, and you're gonna, from your mobile phone, you are gonna click on install profile, and then it will display this message. Click on install anyways, and it'll just take a couple quick seconds, and you will be ready to go. After you do this, go to your settings and click on the profile, and then your iOS 15 will be ready to be installed on your device. So this is the first website. The second one is, most of you probably know this, developer.apple.com. And then what you're going to do is scroll down, and you see everything that Apple announced. It's here on this page. So you're going to look for iOS 15. It's right here. I'm going to click on this, and then click on download. And if you're not logged in, I'm already logged in. Look at this, my name. It's going to ask you for your Apple ID and the password, so make sure you log in. And after you do that, here is the iOS 15 beta, right? You can look at, if you click here, you can see all the devices that are supported. And I believe it has to be 6S, iPhone 6S or above, right? So iPhone 6, 5, 5Ss, that's not going to work with iOS 15. From your mobile device, you're going to click on install profile, and that's it. You don't need to download anything on your computer and then move to your phone. You don't have to do that. So you can do all of this. You can visit this website and click on those from your mobile device. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.